Today I'm gonna be performing a maintenance on my P1P. I've been running this printer for 6 months and I haven't made any maintenance. Today we are gonna be doing that. I've watched a couple videos to get it done, and first thing we're gonna do is get some isopropyl alcohol, Q-tips, and when you buy a P1P printer, you get this. It's a maintenance package. You get a little bit of lubricant. It goes right in here on these, and it goes in here. You put some. We are also gonna need lubricant for the back, but we'll cross that bridge when we get there. Just gonna dust it off first. These, you just wipe them down. Look, so I just cleaned that. That's all I cleaned. It's very dirty. This came off. It's okay. We're actually gonna be checking it out. This is the part that cuts the filament. This eats up the filament. This cuts it right here. Say you wanted to do a change, it gets cut right here, and then it gets pushed to the hot end, and it comes out right here to the tip, and that's the nozzle right there. This is the lubricant that you get when you buy the bamboo printers. Now, let's get to it. That's little to nothing. Oh, there. Oops. Go. Rub it in, rub it in. Leave a little down there so that everything gets greased up. Okay, and here we just calibrated it. Check out the Benchy. First time printing one. It came out perfect. So the calibration worked. The printer is working. It's smooth.